Have you ever had one of those moments where you're sitting in your cubicle, staring at the clock, thinking, there has to be more than this? Well, I'm here to tell you there is. Picture this. It's Monday morning, and your alarm goes off. But instead of joining the rush hour traffic, you're calmly checking your passive income streams that have been growing while you slept. Let me introduce you to Sarah, a friend of mine who turned a modest $500 side project into a six-figure business while exploring the world. Her story isn't unique anymore, and today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how people like Sarah are breaking free from the traditional path. The Great Escape: why traditional careers are no longer the only path. Here's something that might surprise you. 47% of millennials now have a side hustle. I know what you're thinking because I've been there too. After spending 5 years climbing the corporate ladder in finance, I made a shocking discovery. The truly successful people weren't following the traditional playbook. They were writing their own. The digital economy has completely transformed what's possible. We're living in an age where location-independent income isn't just a dream. It's becoming the new normal. And today, I'm going to walk you through 3 groundbreaking paths that are revolutionizing how we think about building wealth. But before we dive in, I want to be clear. This isn't about get-rich-quick schemes or crypto miracles. We're going to explore real strategies, digital entrepreneurship, passive income systems, and unconventional investments that are working right now. 3 revolutionary paths to financial independence. Digital empire building, the new gold rush. Let me tell you about Jason Chen, someone I met during my own journey. Jason built a $2.5 million digital agency from his laptop. Yes, you heard that right. But here's the kicker. He started exactly where many of you might be right now. I was doing $50 website projects on Fiverr, Jason told me during our interview. But I realized the real opportunity wasn't in trading time for money. It was in building systems. Jason's breakthrough came when he started thinking like a business owner rather than a freelancer. He invested in virtual assistants, created standardized processes, and now manages a global team while working just 15 hours per week. The best part? His overhead is minimal compared to traditional businesses. Knowledge economy, turning expertise into income. Now, let me share something that completely changed my perspective on education and income. Dr. Maria Rodriguez took her PhD research and transformed it into something extraordinary. I was tired of seeing my research gather dust in academic journals, she told me. I knew this knowledge could help people, and yes, create income. Maria's story fascinates me because she didn't just create courses. She built an entire ecosystem. Her platform now includes online courses that sell while she sleeps, a thriving membership community, consulting opportunities that come to her, automated webinar systems. What struck me most about Maria's approach was how she leveraged her existing knowledge. You don't need a PhD. Everyone has expertise in something that others want to learn. Alternative investment strategies, beyond stocks and bonds. This is where things get really interesting. Marcus Thompson, another success story I've followed closely, completely reimagined what investing could look like. He ventured into digital assets, micro real estate, and even royalty streams. Traditional investments are just one piece of the puzzle, Marcus explained to me. The real opportunity lies in spotting undervalued assets that others overlook. I watched Marcus build a portfolio that generates monthly passive income equivalent to his former annual salary. He taught me that wealth building isn't about following the crowd. It's about seeing opportunities others miss. Common threads of success. Through my conversations with these pioneers, I've noticed consistent patterns that led to their success. Leveraging digital platforms to reach global audiences, creating scalable systems that work without constant input, maintaining location independence for maximum flexibility, focusing on value creation rather than time exchange, overcoming obstacles. Let's be real for a moment. I know what you're thinking. These stories sound great, but what about the challenges? I've faced them too. The initial uncertainty that keeps you up at night. The financial constraints that seem overwhelming, the mindset shifts required to think differently about money. Here's what I learned from our successful pioneers. Start small but think big. Use existing skills as your foundation. Build systems from day one. Embrace failure as feedback. Your journey to financial freedom starts now. As I wrap up today's journey with you, remember this. The path to financial independence isn't about following someone else's blueprint. It's about choosing the route that aligns with your skills, passions, and lifestyle goals. Sarah, Jason, Dr. Rodriguez, and Marcus, they all started exactly where you are now. Their success wasn't built on inheritance or luck. I've seen firsthand how their journeys were shaped by strategic decisions and consistent action. And hey, if you found value in today's video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Remember, your cubicle is not your destiny. The future of wealth creation is changing, and you're perfectly positioned to take advantage of it. I'll see you in the next video.